Perhaps one of the elements that make this province truly and unmistakably Bicolano is its key agricultural product found and widely cultivated within the Bicol Peninsula: Abaka. Undeniably, the sturdy and resource-rich Abaka plant is the perfect image of resilience embodied by the province and its people. All around the islands, the familiar sites of Abaka plantations dot the countryside. From far and wide, spanning the fertile soils of the mountains, the valleys, and the plains, one can't help but wonder how easy it is to regard Abaka as the province's gift to the world. And with the enterprising spirit of the CATANDUANES, it becomes interesting to note just how creativity and passion can transform Abaka into a prime source of livelihood and pride. Fashioning outstanding items and works of art for all the world to see. If there is one thing that makes traveling to Virac a pleasure, it is the motley presence of places with good food, as well as tourist inns and accommodations fit for anyone's budget. Restaurants serve a wide range of fresh, homegrown seafoods and all-day meals, as well as native delicacies from modest to tastefully decorated deluxe and superior room accommodations, to idyllic vacation resorts and beachfront cottages. Tourists will easily find their dream hideaway in the heart of Catanduanes. Near the end of their nature-tripping tour of the province, a rewarding trip to the rustic town of Bato is a definite must. Here is where the age-old Catholic Church of Bato stands, built of mortar and coral stones that have withstood the ravages of time.
We invite everybody to come and visit our island province, the land of the howling winds, the province of Catanduanes. We have so much more to offer in our province. If you want to experience nature at its best, we have it here.